In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync monday.com with Excel using the built-in import feature. First, log in to your monday.com account and click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Import Data from the drop-down menu. Choose Excel as your import source. Browse your computer and select the Excel file you want to import into monday.com. Once the file uploads, monday.com will display a preview of your spreadsheet data. Now, map each Excel column to the appropriate monday.com column. For example, match task names to a text column, due dates to a date column, and status information to a status column. Carefully review the column mapping to ensure your data is imported correctly. After confirming the mappings, click Import to begin the process. Monday.com will create or populate your board using the data from your Excel spreadsheet. Once the import is complete, review your board and make any adjustments if needed. That's it. You've successfully synced your Excel data with monday.com using the import feature. Thanks for watching.